Welcome to All You Need to Know About Math, where we make math simple. I'm Jana. In this video, we'll go over two examples about exponents. Here's our first example. W to the 3 over 2 over W to the 5 over 2 times W to the 7 over 2. First, we can simplify the bottom of the fraction. That is W to the 3 over 2 over W to the 5 over 2 plus 7 over 2. Because remember, when we're multiplying with the same base, we need to add up the powers, keeping the same base. Now that's W to the 3 over 2 over W to the 12 over 2 is 6. And now, remember, when we have a fraction with the same base, when we're dividing the same base, we need to subtract the powers. That's W to the 3 over 2 minus 6. Let's drag this out to simplify. 3 over 2 minus 6 over 1. Both have the common denominator of 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Negative 9 over 2. Now W to the negative 9 over 2. But now we have a negative power. So what do we need to do when there's a negative power? Well, remember, when we have a negative power, we need to do 1 over the base to the positive power. It's 1 over W to the 9 over 2. W to the 9 over 2. And now that is our answer. Let's go over another problem. Okay, here's the second example. 64x to the 8th over x squared all to the power of 1 over 3. So first we're going to simplify the inside of the bracket. The inside of the bracket is a fraction. So what do we need to do? We need to subtract the powers with the same base. So that will be 64 minus 64x to the 8 minus 2. Because right here, we have x to the 8th and x to the 2. So when we combine those, we subtract the powers, which would be x to the 8 minus 2. And now all to the power of 1 out of 3. And now let's simplify that. 64 x to the 6th all to the 1 out of 3. Now we're going to simplify this. Now that we already have the inside of the bracket simplified, we can simplify the outside and do everything with the outside power. If you remember, the bottom of the fraction power is the type of root. So here the bottom is 3, so it would be a cube root. We'll put everything inside the bracket into a cube root. So that would be the cube root of 64 x to the 6th. And now we can break this cube root up into cube root of 64 times the cube root of x to the 6th. Now that simplifies to the cube root of 64 times the cube root of x to the 6th. Now the cube root of 64 is just 4 times. How can we simplify the cube root of x to the 6th? Well, we can write it as x times x times x times x times x times x. So we're writing x 6 times out, so we can do the cube root of x to the 6th. Now we can group it into 3's. Every group of 3 can come out as 1x. So that's times x. And this is another times x, which is now 4x squared. Now we got our answer. From here, we simplified the inside of the bracket first by combining the powers with the same bases. And then the cube root, because it's the bottom of the fraction power, is the type of root, and the bottom was 3. Please subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video where we make math simple.